Good morning everyone. As you all know, chapter 4 integers is going on and we are on the topic multiplication. So today again we will learn multiplication, and one of the very important topic today we will complete, that is distributive property. Very important topic we are learning. So please pay attention. It is from exercise 4D only. We had already done question number 1 to 3. Now we are at question number 4. So let me tell you first of all what is distributive property. Children, in this property, you have studied this property for whole number. Now we are learning for integers. Like if we have 3 integers A, B and C, and they are like that, A multiply B plus C. What I am saying, that 2 integers B and C are in addition and A is in multiply. So this outside number is getting multiplied with inside both numbers that are inside. So outside number multiply with A multiply with B and A multiply with C also. So I can write A multiply with B. There is, what is the sign in between? Plus A multiply with C also. This is called distributive property because we have distributed A with B and A with C also. Okay. So this concept we have to follow to solve the question. Maybe the short form are given, you have to write in detail, or maybe the detail is given, you have to write in short. That is the thing. So let's start. First we are learning how to verify the question. It is question number 4. Question number 4, verify. So when we are verifying any of the question, it means we have to solve whether the LHS part is equal to RHS or not, and we have to solve exponent using BODMAS rule in this. Because whenever we are doing any calculation, we have to use the BODMAS rule. So this is your question, which is given in the book. It is from exercise 4D. Now, in the question it is saying that you have to verify. Verify means आपको check करना है that this LHS part, it means the part which is this side, LHS side of the equal sign, and the part which is on right, they both parts are equal. So let's solve. We have to solve together both the parts. So first I am solving this. 18 will remain here only. And when we solve this formula, which is in bracket, inside the bracket, so 9 plus minus minus, it is addition. So it means we are doing addition, and if different sign are there, they will get subtract. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and I think you understand it will be positive because the 9 is bigger with positive sign. We have solved and write here. Now in this question, when addition is there and multiplication is there, so according to BODMAS, first we have to solve multiply. So I am solving the bracket because bracket is not there, so I am using BODMAS to solve the multiplication. So 18 9 ja 162, and this is plus. Let's solve it. 18 7 ja negative 126, because it is plus minus minus. One is positive, one is negative. That we had already studied. If different sign, your answer will be with negative. Now, how to solve this? Now we have to do addition. In this part, first we multiply, then add. Here first we add and then multiply. So 18 to the 36. And when we subtract 162 minus 126, so it will give us 5 minus 2 is 3, and positive 36 because 162 is bigger. So here you can see both the parts are equal. So we can say that LHS, left hand side, is equals to the right hand side. So our answer will verify. So distributive property is verified. This term can be written in this way, or this term can be written in this way. Both are the equal. So let's solve some of the question based on distributive property, where we will learn how to simplify the given question using distributive law. Okay. So it's question number 7. from exercise 4D only. Exercise 4D, question number 7. So let's start with simple part. Second, 8 multiplied with negative 12 plus 7 multiplied with negative 12. Children, instead of solving in a detail, you have to simplify using the law. That will make your question easy. Like if you are multiplying this, then you are multiplying this one and then add. It takes a lot of time. So use distributive law. For this, check which number is repeating. So can you see any of the number is repeating in this? Yes, negative 12 comes 2 times. So take it as common. Common means write it as single time outside the bracket and use big bracket. If there is no sign here, it means it is multiply. Because between the bracket, no need to put sign, it is automatically multiplication. So negative 12 we have taken outside. What is left inside? 8, then plus 7. Because negative 12 we have taken outside from both the terms. Now solve this one first. Negative 12 as it is, and 8 plus 7 become 15. And what is the sign in between? It is multiplication as I told. Now multiply this. How to multiply? 12 5s are 60, or you can directly multiply by the 15. Table of 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 1s are 15 and 3. 18. And this is negative, this is positive. So minus plus minus. Your answer will be negative 180. Here you have to remember that where we have to add and where we have to multiply. It can be in subtraction also, but in your class it is only for addition. So first we have to add and here we are multiplying. So minus plus is minus. Okay. Signs matters a lot. Again. One more question. The last one we are doing. 7th. Negative 27 multiply with negative 16 plus negative 27 multiply with negative 14. Again check which number comes 2 times. It can be 3 times, it can be 4 times. It depends how many expressions are given to you. So negative 27, negative 27. So I have to write a single time outside the bracket. And inside the bracket, what is left? Look, this is plus sign. So out of this term, negative 27 is outside. So what is left? Negative 16 inside. And from here it is left negative 14. Use brackets for writing the negative number. Now let's solve this big bracket. Here both the numbers are negative and we have to add. So if same sign means addition, but the sign is of negative. We are doing addition, we are not doing multiplication. So minus, if both the signs are same, let's add the digit. It will be 30 and with the negative sign. Because both are negative, that's why answer is also negative in addition. Outside number as it is, and what is the sign in between? Multiply. Now want to multiply. So minus minus become plus. Because in multiplication minus minus become plus. And 0 as it is, let's multiply. 3 7 is 21, 3 2 is 6 and 2 8. So positive 810 will be the correct answer. So this is about distributive property. Now you all are able to solve the question number 4 and question number 7. Some of the parts are given in worksheet also. So go through that, do practice. Thank you and have a good day.